some shit. Had to re-up the new crib for niggas get bread, and I went and copped a new whip. Just got a call from my sister, she going down and she know that I'm always equipped. Yeah, they talking a lot when they want what you got, but they still gonna be on your dick. So I never fuss, I never trip. Looking for me.
Welcome to the New Age. This is my brother and me.
Okay, you get it.
Today, we're talking about how to buy crypto. There's three important stages of buying crypto.
Let's get it.
The first stage is research.
Gotta do your research.
Always research what you're buying and what you're putting your money to, so you will be accountable of your actions. Just do your research and know that all cryptos are not the same. All cryptos have different uses. Don't just follow the hype. Don't just Google anything. Just do your research. Do your own due diligence.
Where can they go to do their research on these cryptos?
I mean, a good place to go is coinmarketcap.com. They'll tell you exactly the usage of these cryptos, all cryptos really.
Yeah.
They'll tell you the current price of the cryptos and where you can buy these cryptos.
Yeah, definitely. You definitely want to go on coinmarket.com. Don't always go on Google. If you want detailed information, go on to coinmarket.com, man.
CoinMarketCap.
Oh, cat. My bad.
Second stage, getting a crypto wallet. It's always good to have a crypto wallet and not just leave the crypto on these websites. You can transfer your crypto from the website to your wallet. That way it's safe and secure. You can have a crypto wallet on your phone, just like an app. And with these apps, they give you a 12-word password. So please do not forget your password, because it's a guy that had $65 million in Bitcoin.
Ooh.
Forgot his password.
What?
He can't get into his wallet. So he's down.
Doomed.
He's down 65 million just for getting his
That's
password.
a lot. So I advise y'all, do it the old school way. Get the pen, get the paper. You feel me? Write it down, stick it somewhere. Do not put these type of passwords in your phones and your computer. Anywhere that, other people can get to, only you can.
And not all crypto wallets support all cryptos. So don't be alarmed if you have to get more than one wallet. It's cool. It's cool. Don't worry about that. And also, you can go get a cold wallet, the physical one. You can go on Amazon. Amazon sells them. You can get one on there for under $100 if you want. Want to be on the cheap side.
Yeah.
You can get a good one for a higher price.
Yeah, definitely.
And please pay attention when you're transferring your crypto from these websites to your wallet. Please make sure you copy the right address.
Please copy the right address.
Because if you send it to the wrong address,
you're done.
It's gone. So please pay attention to what you're doing, because your money is at stake. At the end of the day,
yeah,
it is your money. So you don't want to just lose your money by not paying attention to what you're doing.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely got a crypto wallet and crypto.com. Definitely got that. Just gotta pay attention these days. And this is not financial advice.
No, this is only educational and entertainment.
We're just dropping gems,
giving you free game.
Buying your crypto. Now, not all exchanges got the same crypto. You feel what I'm saying? You probably gotta, go around and do your research of what exchange or crypto that you really want to buy. You can always go back to coinmarketcap.com. If you look up a specific crypto, it'll tell you specifically where you can buy that crypto. Now, let me ask you this. For the people out there that's new, signing up and stuff, where can they look at some new crypto, that's getting some value?
Well, if you're new to crypto, I wouldn't just be jumping into anything.
No, don't jump into anything.
I would try, if you're new to crypto, it's not financial advice. But if you're new to crypto, grab something that's, everybody grabs. So grab some Bitcoin. That way you can see how Bitcoin works.
Definitely grab some Bitcoin.
You can see how Bitcoin works, and you can see how cryptocurrency works. And you'll get an idea of what you're putting yourself into for real. So don't just go out here just buying anything. Of course, do your own research, do your own due diligence, and please pay attention to what you're buying. Yeah,
definitely. All the new investors out there should at least get into Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin is like the stomping ground.
It's just a stomping ground.
It's the first thing you could invest in. And that way you can learn the crypto market, because again, it's a volatile market. It goes up and down. Crypto is 24 hours, so you might go to sleep, you might be up, you wake up, you might be down. You never know what can happen. So please only invest what you can afford to lose.
Definitely. That's a good one.
Don't throw your life savings into these cryptos.
Yeah.
Don't throw your bill money into these cryptos.
Don't do it.
Because it's a volatile market. It goes up, it goes down, it goes around. never know what can happen.
That's today's episode, my brother and me. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and definitely be on the lookout for any gems that we dropping, because we definitely dropping some gems for the youth, for the old heads, the young heads, all that. You feel what I'm saying?
We're doing it all. We're dropping free game daily, so please pay attention. And also check out Like Father, Like Son. That's also a good, show to watch to get up on game of what's going on in the market.
Definitely.
And you'll be up on game with us. You'll be up on game in the world, and you'll be a step ahead.
Let's go.
Welcome to the new age.